Step into a world where history whispers through cobblestone streets, and the scent of orange blossoms dances in the air. Malaga, an exquisite jewel adorning the southern coast of Spain, invites you on a captivating journey through its rich tapestry of culture and heritage. As you wander through the heart of this city, you'll find yourself surrounded by an intriguing blend of ancient and modern. The remnants of Moorish architecture, embodied in the majestic Alcazaba fortress and Jaibro Faro castle, stand as silent witnesses to centuries of history, inviting you to uncover their stories. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of the old town, where every corner unveils a new discovery, a hidden courtyard adorned with blooming bougainvillea or a charming cafe exuding the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. But Malaga isn't just a city frozen in time, it's a vibrant tapestry that seamlessly weaves tradition with contemporary allure. The buzz of life emanates from its bustling markets, where locals and visitors mingle, sharing laughter and stories over the freshest produce and traditional delicacies. Indulge your taste buds in the famed tapas culture, where every bite tells a tale of Andalusian flavors and culinary mastery. And let's not forget the allure of the coast. The azure Mediterranean Sea beckons, offering sun-soaked beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. Whether you seek the tranquility of secluded coves or the vibrant energy of the beach clubs, Malaga's coastline offers an escape to paradise. Beyond its historical and cultural wonders, Malaga embraces art and creativity. The birthplace of Pablo Picasso, this city proudly showcases his legacy in the Picasso Museum, a treasure trove celebrating the life and works of the artistic genius. Galleries and street art further punctuate the cityscape, adding a contemporary flair to Malaga's artistic canvas. From the lively festivals that celebrate flamenco rhythms echoing through the streets to the panoramic views from the Castillo de Jaibro Faro, Malaga's charm is boundless. It's a city that invites exploration, promises unforgettable moments, and leaves an indelible mark on every traveler. So, come along on this journey with us as we unravel the myriad reasons why Malaga stands as an irresistible destination. Prepare to be captivated, inspired, and utterly enchanted by the allure of this captivating city. Malaga awaits, ready to welcome you with open arms to an experience that will linger in your memories long after you depart its sun-kissed shores. Malaga's charm extends beyond its historical allure. The city thrives with a vibrant energy, evident in its bustling squares, lively cafes, and enticing markets. Stroll through the charming old town, where narrow streets adorned with vibrant bougainvillea lead to hidden plazas teeming with life. Here, traditional tavernas serve delectable Andalusian cuisine, inviting visitors to savor the flavors of the region. The city's cultural heartbeat pulsates through its numerous festivals and events, celebrating flamenco rhythms and artistic expression. From the vibrant Feria de Malaga to the soul-stirring performances and intimate tablaos, Malaga resonates with the soul-stirring melodies of this passionate dance. For those seeking respite, Malaga's stunning beaches offer a tranquil escape. From lively shores with beachfront cafes to secluded coves framed by rugged cliffs, there's a coastal paradise for every visitor. Malaga's allure lies in its ability to embrace the old and the new, seamlessly blending ancient history with a contemporary vibe. Its warmth and hospitality welcome travelers to immerse themselves in its vibrant tapestry, a city that invites exploration and promises unforgettable experiences at every turn.